Hi guys, I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do today. I rarely know. I have no exact plan, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm in my Pinterest board, and I'm under all pins, and I'm going to scroll down because it's a lot of them. I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to pick two. I pick two, and we're going to try to incorporate both of them together in one drawing. Right, let's scroll, closing my eyes, I'm scrolling, and let it stop and pick that one. Starfish double barrel. Okay, let me give myself a little screenshot of that. I don't remember how to do a screenshot. It's that, right? No, it's no. No. Um, no. Go away. I don't screenshot very often, and I have forgotten how to do it. And, okay. It's that, right? Ah! Save. No. That didn't do it either. Okay. We're just going to write down that name and come back to it. Because Starfish double barrel. Actually, you know what? Let's just draw this first, and then we'll pick a second one to do around it. That's a better idea. Okay, let's turn on my light. Oh, you guys want to see what that one is? Starfish, double barrel, circle, triangles, and then it's kind of like an aura, like Arucus. Anyway, we're going to do this. Come on, nice and big. Turn on my light so I can see what I'm doing because it's dark today. Let's draw on a piece of pink. We're going to put a circle. Can you guys see? And then coming out from that circle, we're going to do different sizes of these little like petals. One more. Like that. Something like that. And then the aura in here. Around like so. And then we do this like that. think I'm going to have to turn my heater back on. It's too cold. Our high today is going to be only in the low 40s. 2 days ago, our high was like 75. And today, our high is like 42. And I'm cold. Turn my heater on. But I can turn it that way just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so then we do that, and then we repeat step 4 and 5. So then we have another aura in here. Like that. It's a very Art Deco looking piece, isn't it? That's Starfish double barrel. Now I'm going to pick something else. Let's zoom back out. I'm going to pick something else for around the outside of this. I'm just going to keep scrolling. Let's turn this off so you guys can see what's going on my phone. And I'm going to just keep scrolling. Scroll, 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 and close my eyes and hit this one. Oh, interesting. That kind of matches. Look at that. Spicas. S-P-I-C-A-S. S-P-I-C-A-S. It appears that we do a sort of a roundy triangle and then an inward, and then we add these petals so it looks like that, or we can do it with a pointy triangle and add those petals. That's interesting because that really kind of goes with this. Huh. You never know what you're going to get when you just do something random. Let's zoom back in. And we're going to do one here. I really like that. It goes. And it's easy to do. sticking them in the middle there. Maybe this is what I'll do for a little while. I'll just randomly pick 2 patterns and see how I can get them to work nicely together. I think all patterns work nicely together. I really do. I think you can just manage to get at least 2 or more patterns to work together. Oh, that's really cool. I like how that came out. I really do. Yes. Okay, let's just do a little shading on that and that will be perfect. Okay, let's do, I don't want quite that dark of shading, so let's do this one. And of course it's going to need a highlight because, yeah, it's definitely going to need a highlight. I need my thinner blending stump. It needs to have small end here. I almost can't see that. Where's my little blending stump? I've lost it. Don't know what happened to it. I got this tortillon, but I don't like the tortillon as much. But I've got it, so I'm going to use it. Didn't go all the way to the middle. Need to go all the way to the middle. You guys can't see that as well as I can, but I don't want to make it much darker. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to then use my Gel pen. Come on. Oh, I think it's too cold for gel pen. Gel pen don't want to work. We'll use colored pencil. Gel pen doesn't want to work today. It is too cold. The camera doesn't like this color. I don't know if it's because I don't have any natural daylight in here today because it's so dark and gloomy, or if it's just the way it is. Don't know. But this is a bright pink, not a lavender. So I think that's weird that you can't see that color properly. That's good though. Okay. That looks good. I really wish you could see it the way it's meant to be seen, but I don't know. That's weird. So this one is Starfish Double Barrel. This way? Yeah, that's good. And Spicas. There we go. That is today's video. I hope you had a good time. I had a good time, even though it's dark and gloomy outside. And I think I'm about had it out here for today because I'm cold. And I can come out again tomorrow. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be done for the day. I have to go to work this afternoon, so I might as well be finished at this point. You guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.